Eyal Bergman, who's also a vet and is in one of our groups on Facebook, so we know him quite well from that. What about, have you read the book yet?
Yes, absolutely.
What did you think? What was, as a vet, what's the vet's eye view of the book?
Yeah, so just a quick background. I've known Anita for probably about 5 years. And we met in one of the clinics that both of us were working at the time. Since then, I've been following her work and always amazed how passionate she is about animals in general, and definitely about cats. And we've been in touch. We've had a few cases that we were discussing, and some mutual clients that we were discussing, and I referred to her some challenges. Yeah, just was very important to highlight the passion that Anita has for cats. And this is something that I think is very, very special about Anita. Mm-hmm. The book is great. I mean, I don't think I have enough words to express how good the book is.
Wow.
Because what I like about the book is that it focuses on the cat. And we see this a lot in clinics, that people adopt cats or buy animals, and everything is very exciting in the beginning, but then the challenges always follow. Understanding the cat behavior solves most of these problems, and this is what I like in the book. Of course, it helps the cat owners and whoever is handling cats, but understanding the cat behavior and why cats do certain things that they do helps a lot to strengthen this human bond, this special bond that we have for hundreds and thousands of years with cats. Yeah, so this is what I think about the book, and I think it can help any person, you know, the lame person that doesn't know much about cats, definitely, and people that have experience with cats and supposedly think that they know much about cats, and learn a lot from this book, including professionals, vets and nurses and groomers. Mm-hmm. I was fascinated to read the book and learn a lot of new things that I wasn't aware of.
That's interesting. Yeah. So it's got quite a wide appeal, right from professionals to or lay people like me, who can just read about a cat and then a bit of an analysis as to what's happened there and all that. No, it's really good. It's really good to hear that it appeals to absolutely everyone, which is, you know,
what I like about the book also is it's a good read, and it's very interesting, and of course there are the amazing interviews with people that you wouldn't expect to hear or to read their angle about cats. But also after reading the book, I feel that it's more of a manual. You can go back to it, and the way it's structured, you can just go back to each chapter and just memorize things, because obviously it's always very difficult to remember everything. And it's not just a fun book to read, but also a manual that I will highly recommend everyone to have, because it's just very, very useful.
Yeah, that's really good. It's really good to hear. So well, thank you for your view. That's really interesting to hear that, you know, to hear that it's actually also quite interesting to someone as much of an expert as you are, as well as a cat know nothing like me and some of us here as well. So thank you for your view there. That was very, very interesting.
Thank you, Anita, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.